Addiction is one of the most urgent social issues facing the province. It is also, without question, one of the most complex issues.
The Alberta government says they plan on tackling Edmonton's social issues through a new task force.
An addiction is a neurobiological illness. And what does that mean? That means they need medical treatment. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get people help. We have to try and get people, as simple as it sounds, want to get people off the streets.
The task force will spend the $63 million the governing UCP has already announced for Edmonton to address addiction, mental health, and homelessness. This comes in the light of a double homicide in Edmonton's Chinatown that had the UCP scrutinizing how Edmonton social services are funded.
I think we can actually hit the ground running. We've certainly started some of these things in this city on the LRT with the work with the city. I think this just gives more strength. And I think the whole thing in relation to Chinatown, 118th and the downtown all needs a similar approach.
This funding will dramatically increase access to addiction services and supports over the next 2 years, and $19 million has been allocated to combat homelessness.
2 city councillors were handpicked by the UCP to be part of this task force, creating some tensions between the province and the city.
I was not made aware of it. We were not in any way included in the creation of the task force. It is a decision that the province has made.
Mayor Sohi concerned there's not more representation from those with lived experience, and says because the councillors were handpicked, they are not representing all of council.
I received an invitation yesterday to participate.
Councillor Tim Cartmel is on the task force and hopes it brings change.
My understanding is it's aimed at actual actions on a lot of the things we've been talking about for the city.
The Office of Municipal Affairs telling City News they welcome the opportunity to have the mayor present to the task force and invite him to any relevant events and announcements. From Edmonton, Bailey Nitti, City News.